good morning, dear students and parents. Welcome to Suryoday. Today is 15th December, Tuesday. We have three sessions decorating in today's Suryoday. To start with, we are going to have the prayer by Hatim Vanak, Lechal Mujhe. Thank you, Hatim, for your continuous contribution to Suryoday. Then we had a technical session by one of our integrated MCA students, Tanvi Doshi. She has touched upon a wonderful topic, DIP, Digital Image Processing. All of you know that now everything is digitized. Once you convert an image into the digital matrix consisting of X and Y ordered pairs, then it becomes easier to carry out any of the operations, digital operations on the image, including image acquisition, image enhancement, restoration, and image analysis, and so on. Very useful. Keeping this the future in mind, we have got a machine vision lab, which is again extension to this digital image processing. Thirdly, we are going to have the motivational session by Professor Dhananjay, Senior Manager, Learning and Development, Marwadi University. He has touched upon a fantastic topic, perception, where he showed a couple of pictures how the perception changed when you see the second picture from the first picture. So perception is part and parcel of our life, all of us know. In this connection, I am happy to share a small story which is also perception oriented. One young father, maybe of age 30-35, he brings two of his kids in a train. Before he enters into the compartment, the entire compartment was so silent, and particularly in that particular 6 berths, there is an old man taking rest, there is a person reading a book. All the 6 seats appear to be very, very calm. Suddenly, this gentleman, middle-aged fellow, enters into the bogie with 2 of his notorious kids. Naturally, the atmosphere is totally changed. The kids are jumping from one berth to another berth, pulling each other. They fall on that floor and they started crying. They beat each other. Out of joy also sometimes they're also quarreling and so on. As a result, it has collapsed the atmosphere of the bogie. So everyone said indirectly and they started scolding the gentleman directly. He's not able to control the kids. What is the kind of thing he's doing that? These kids are spoiling. Probably you should teach the kid how to behave in a public place and so on. So the young man was silently watching and he said, "Sir, I will share with you one thing. These kids have lost the mother just a couple of days ago." That means the young man has lost his wife a couple of days ago. Then these people were crying, asking, "Where is my mom? Where is my mom?" They didn't have a proper answer to say. Then after that function got over, he wants to bring the kid to have a ride in a train for a small journey so that the children can forget about the mom. Accordingly, they have taken this train journey for a small distance of say around 10 to 20 kilometers, and we are just going to get down in the next station. The moment he said this, people showed sympathy. They stopped worrying about the disturbances being created by the kids. Somebody got an ice cream for the kid. Somebody offered a chocolate for the kid. How? The whole perception. See, we thought something, and in reality, if you come to know that, your behavior changes. Wonderful, Professor Dhananjay, and perception is part and parcel of our life. I said, like even the eyes internally, which is made up of sensors like rods and cones, they cannot completely see an object. There is a particular place where there is no sensors available. That's a place where the optic nerve ends. So the brain, which conceives an image from the eye, completes the missed or missing information. So perception is there. Please aware about the perception and use it for the betterment of your life. Thank you very much. Happy Suryoday.
Little day. मुझे तू है जहाँ, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तेरे सिंहासन के पास, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे। मैं तेरे पास आता हूँ पवित्र दिल से, आराधना मैं करता हूँ प्रेमी मन से। मैं तेरे पास आता हूँ पवित्र दिल से, आराधना मैं करता हूँ प्रेमी मन से। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तू है जहाँ, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तेरे सिंहासन के पास, ले चल मुझे। तेरे पवित्र स्थान में तो मुझे ले चल, तुझे देखना मैं चाहता हूँ हर घड़ी हर पल। तेरे पवित्र स्थान में तू मुझे ले चल, तुझे देखना मैं चाहता हूँ हर घड़ी हर पल। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तू है जहाँ, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तेरे सिंहासन के पास, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे।
everyone, I am Tanvi Doshi from Integrated MCA 9. Today I will tell about the digital image processing. So first, what is digital image processing? Digital image processing is the processing of an image by means of computer, which means that it includes the computer algorithm to extract and enhance the meaningful information from the digital image. So, digital image processing includes main three steps. First, importing the image via image acquisition. Second step is the image manipulation, and third step is the storing the output data into the result set. There are many types of image in which a digital processing can apply, like a black and white image, binary image, 8-bit color format image, or 16-bit color format image. Digital image processing includes some phases that are as follows. First, image acquisition. This process involves two steps. First, scanning of an image, and second, color conversion of an image like RGB to gray and vice versa. Second, image enhancement. Image enhancement means the extracting the hidden information from an image. After that, image multiple resolution processing take place, in which the image are represented by at various angles like a 360-degree, 90-degree, 180-degree, etc. The next step is image compression. It involves the inbuilt function that focuses on the image size and its resolution. Next step is a segmentation procedure. Segmentation procedure means it divides image into further parts for the processing. This part is the most difficult part in entire digital image processing. The next step is a representation and description of that data. This is the result set of the segment processing. This convert the raw data into some processed data. After that, last step is object detection and recognition. These distribute the images by its label. So now it is an entire image processing. Now next question in our mind rise that where the image processing is used. So the image processing is used where the face recognition system used, fingerprint system is used, or any automation technique are used. So in real life, wherever the smart devices are there, then image processing are used. Thank
Namaste. I'm going to do a small exercise with all of you, and it will just take 30 seconds, not more than that. Very simple exercise. I'll show a picture to all of you, and you have to closely look at the picture and then make sense out of it. You have to understand what this picture is all about and keep it in your mind. You're not supposed to tell it to me. All right? Ready? Here is your picture, and your time starts now. All right, your time up. I'm sure you must have read this picture closely and keep it in your mind that what is this picture is all about. And now I'm going to take the next part of this exercise. In the next part of this exercise is I'm going to show another picture which is a little bigger picture of the same picture. Have a look on this next picture and try to figure out and understand what this picture and what earlier picture was. Have a look on this picture. Now, do you see your earlier meaning is of no use now? What meaning you made now? I'm sure the earlier perspective which you had made about earlier picture is going to be changed now after looking at this picture. Most of us, in fact, in everyday life, this is happening with all of us. Whenever we are responding to any event or any incident in our life, we are responding depending on our sense which we had made out of that particular event or incident. And that sense depends on the kind of information or data we were presented. And we have limited limited ability to process the data. We cannot process all the information available at any given point in time It is not possible for any human being. So what is happening? The kind of data we are exposed to, we look at the data, we process it, we make sense out of it, and then we respond or react to that particular situation. But the meaning is, if we are given more data, more information, maybe our earlier response could go wrong, or it may be of no use. So my message to all the young generation today is, whenever you are responding to any incident or any event, please seek more data, more information, because that can change the entire perspective, the way you look at the things, the way you look at the incidents and the events. So how to do that? You need to ask more questions, take little more time, and then gather as much as data possible or information possible, and then make a decision. I'm sure you would be much more wiser in your action compared to the quick, in hurry decisions. Thank you very much for listening to me. That is all about from my end in this Learning Bite.